Okay, if the pitch of a roof is supposed to be 2 to 12 and the run is 20 feet, what must be the rise? Okay, so when we're looking at pitch of a roof, the first number represents the rise and the second number is the run. So if I see a pitch of a roof is 2 to 12, that means every time I go 12 feet this way, I'm going to go 2 feet this way. Right? The lower the first number compared to the second number, the flatter the roof is. Right? So the pitch of this roof, the first number represents the rise, the second number represents the run. Rise going up or down, run going left or right. Okay. Typically roofs go upward, right? So we should expect positive pitch usually on a roof. Right? Now it says the run is 20 feet. So you can see they've written the pitch is a ratio in this colon form. So they got 2:12. The way we've already seen ratios today is that colon forms one way of doing it, fraction forms another way. That's the same as 2/12, right? And again, if I'm creating a structure here, this is rise on top, run on the bottom. So in general, when you look at pitch of a roof, rise over run is the structure that we want to have. The actual rise of the roof is based on the run of the roof. So based on this pitch, 2/12, we know the run is 20 feet. The actual run is 20 feet. That's how long horizontally the roof actually is. We want to know how far up the roof goes. So the ratio of rise to run is 2 to 12. The actual rise to run is, I don't know what the rise is over the run that's given to me. And notice I've created this structure we just talked about in the last problem, a proportion. Fraction 1 equals fraction 2. And once I create that proportional structure, now again, cross multiplication is the next step. I'm going to get 12 times x is 12x. I'm going to get 2 times 20 equals 40. And if 12x equals 40, how do I get x equals? Divide by 12. And I want to get rid of the number in front of x, and I want to divide by it. 12 divided by 12 makes 1. 1x is x. 40 divided by 12 doesn't divide evenly. I can reduce it by 4. 10 over 3. And then I probably want an actual height, right? So it makes more sense to have an actual height instead of 10/3 feet. All right, so I would do 3 goes into 10 how many times? So 3, that'd be 9. 3, so 3.3 repeating, or 3 1/3 even. Let's go there. 3 1/3 feet. Now, suppose I was building this house and I told, or I knew the guy building the house, I said, I want the height to be 3 1/3 feet. Would I say that, or would I say 3 feet and some number of inches? Would it be 3 feet, some number of inches more common than 3 1/3 feet, right? So probably, if this was me and I was doing this problem, I'd probably want to get a foot inches answer, because 3 feet is the whole number of feet, and then the 1/3 foot is the number of inches, right? So if I have 1/3 of a foot, and that's what it looks like if I write it in fraction form, the foot belongs in the numerator as a unit. And I want to change this into inches. What's the fact about feet and inches that we know? How many feet equal how many inches?
12.
12 what?
Inches.
Inches equals
1 foot.
1 foot, right? So 12 inches equals 1 foot. There's my fact about the 2 units. I've got the unit of foot living in the numerator. I want it to go away, so I'm going to put 1 foot in the denominator. I'm going to put 12 inches in the numerator. So I got foot on top, foot on bottom, cancel. 12 on top and 3 on the bottom tells me to divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 3 feet, 4 inches would be the rise or the height of this roof. It's going to go 20 feet that way, 3 feet, 4 inches up.